Hey guys, it's Danny, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the no hand slow-mo transition on Musical.ly. I know this is kind of old and yeah, but it's a transition that people do often and it's simple once you get the hang of it, but it can be really hard when you first start to learn it, so I'll be taking you step by step. And I'm probably going to be posting more of these transition tutorials, so stay tuned for more. Alright, let's just get started with the transition, yo. Okay, so you want to go to the sound you want to use, and then just go to Epic and then film whatever you want, because this doesn't matter. We won't use it later. Yeah, just do whatever. It doesn't matter at all. And click the arrow and then just save it private. Then go back, go to that one, and then click the three dots, and then click the button save. Wait for it to export to your camera roll. And then once it disappears, it means it's saved. Now let's get to the part where we actually film the slow-mo. You're going to want somewhere to stand your phone up, and so you want to go to the slow-mo mode, and just when you're ready, click the record button, and then flip it around so you do. Oh, don't worry, we'll fix this later. And so just lip sync. I got new rules, I got them. And then you just kind of end it there. And then you want to go to there and go to that video, press edit. Then you want to edit where the slow-mo starts. So right where you flip your hair, mine would be about there. Then you want to trim it. Make sure you trim it after. So start doing it when you start lip syncing. Oh. So right about there, then you press trim original. Then just play the video to see how it ended up. See, so that's how it ends up. But now we gotta go to iMovie to go edit it. So iMovie, and hold on a sec. iMovie takes a bit to load. Okay, later. Cancel. Then you want to press a new movie, and then press this slow-mo video, and then go to the beginning, swipe all the way to the beginning, press video, go to recently added, and go to your weird lip syncing video. Press the three dots and then press the music button. Now here's where you want to edit the legs so that it matches up. Then just you want to mute this one and then play. Hold on. See, you might want to edit it a bit. Sometimes I just slow the sound down to make it better. Sometimes it makes it worse. What?
Need to pee.
Okay, sorry about that. That glitch happened because iMovie glitches too much. Alright. Alright, so you may have to edit it a lot. like that because you mess up a lot sometimes. See, so it ends up like that a lot better. So it ends up a lot better if you edit the sounds and the speed. But I know the sound's kind of cringy, but yeah, that's how you do no hand slow-mo. So what you click done, then you press the save button. Hold on. And you scroll and press save video. I always click large because that always works out the best for me. That's how you do no hand slow-mo, and I hope this video was helpful to you. And tag me in your Musical.ly. I'm Danny Dork. And yeah, I'll go give it a like and comment something about it. Yay! So yeah, I hope this helped you, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.